Hello, welcome to the eVenture Family Channel. We are here at Rivian in New York for one of their cool community meetups. Today it is the Community Cook-Off with Rashad Farzal, I think? I'm not sure how to say. But it's got a grilling cookout, a big Rivian ambassador, and we're going to be doing some cooking demonstrations. They're going to have snacks, and we're going to check out some Rivian stuff while we're here. So we've got plenty of Rivians out here, a bunch in the showroom. I was hoping maybe there'd be an R2 here, but doesn't look like it. But should be a fun time and cool to see what Rivian is doing in their community spaces, including this one here in the Meatpacking District of New York. We're right around the corner from Tesla and Genesis House, a bunch of other cool car places. I remember when Fisker was here too, no longer. So kind of a chilly summery day, springy day, but should be cool to spend it here in the Rivian space. So come along with us and let's check it out.
That's right.
All right, here's the Rivian space in Manhattan. And if you followed the channel for a while, you will probably recognize some of this. This entire little feeder space here is new. It's nice. I like what they did with that. And I feel like they've rearranged some of the gear stuff here too. But yeah, we've got lots of interesting new gear, including what I already spotted over here, some new R2 merch. These are cool. Camping adventure ones. Ooh, I like this one. Nice, and then some updated logo apparel. Sweet. And then I love that Rivian has got these collaborations with lots of other companies. So this is Anybag, which is recycled plastic waste. Oh, and it's local here to New York. Those are pretty cool. I don't know if they're still doing the mystery ranch stuff, but I've got my little bag here too. And they've got some cool camping stuff here too. Nomadics, Rumple, kitchen towels from Slow Tide. Interesting little bucket hat here, ceramics. Yeah, they always do a nice little set of like local things too. And then every place has got the whatever location, keep whatever location adventures forever stuff. It's cool. I like the hats. So they have different color options in bottles. No more yellow, sadly. That's cool. They got all these earthenware things too. You can get coffee here. And this setup is all entirely new. It's a little place to come hang out. Oh yeah, look at this kit. Yeah, that's awesome.
Butter right now.
Oh, sweet. Ooh, that smells good.
Daddy, can I get some
That's cool.
Yeah, it works. I live in Oregon.
Okay.
So we have a lot of fire bans.
Yeah.
So having
Oh, okay, yeah.
easier to kind of go out there.
Yeah. So it's all an induction, obviously.
1000%,
Yeah.
You know,
Nice.
in Oregon, where
Yeah.
it's just nothing but a fire starter.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I
That's
go
awesome. And then like just plugs in directly there.
Right in the back.
Yeah.
Doesn't really have a big hit on the battery. But clean, easy, something like 40 pounds.
Yeah.
I flew out with this from Oregon.
Okay.
And
Oh wow.
Keeps the beverages cold.
Yeah. Look
But
at
yeah,
this.
this is my little kit where we go camping right now.
This is amazing.
I wrote
Yeah.
a cookbook, so I'm out here doing a little promo right now.
That's awesome. Yeah. We came out just to check it out. This is awesome.
appreciate
Does that fold up in the middle?
It does, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it goes in the middle, drawer space.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Whatnot, yeah.
That's awesome. And you buy this just through Rivian?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
an in-house product.
Yeah.
It's an add-on.
Okay.
It's pretty rad.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love that. We could have used that a couple weeks ago,
Yeah,
just 2 weeks ago.
You have an R1S?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
I got 3 too. So
Yeah.
I like the truck.
Oh my God.
It's like the kids, like,
Yeah.
Daddy, can I
Uh,
go show you something?
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. You want to come check the back out when you get some stuff ready? Oh, you're all right. We're off. What's that? Oh, that looks good.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I like this one. Kind of a little nod to the way that they're doing the blackout logos now. Cool, so we don't have an R2 here yet. They said June 9th they'll definitely have one, which is kind of the official day and the day that test drives will start also. But I think invite only at that point. But I'm maybe blocking some time off that day to come check it out here. So we got R1S, we got the R1T here. Looks like they've got a bunch of R1s out in the front for demo drives. And then the space over here, another R1S back here.
Doesn't the space feel just like normal? The end, like the
Yeah.
guest area?
Yeah.
Normal?
It's such a bummer that they're not letting you do deliveries at the normal factory with the R2. I like it. So they, I think, got this extra area where we're standing here, maybe not afterward, but it wasn't initially kind of used for the showroom. This is where when R2 was first announced, they did, not a presentation here, but they did like the live stream here, and this is where I placed my reservation, sitting in this corner here. But now it looks like they're using it even better than before. So you've got a little demo of their wall charger. This is really nice. With NACS. That's cool. Very nice lightweight cable. Nice long one too. This would be a nice option for the house. Oh yeah, and then look at the interior here on this R1S.
I don't mind this color setup.
This interior is nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they just brought Forest Edge, which we have back, but it's special now, and you have to get it with like a specific trim package.
I'm never getting rid of that car just because of the color combination. Yeah. But this is nice too. This is very Scandi. This is like very like shore house.
Yeah,
vibes.
yeah. Yep.
It's very calming. I like it.
Yeah.
Did you see that? And look at the mats.
Yeah. So is this I can't remember the name of all the trims and stuff, but this is slate. Oh, the color is slate. It's one of my favorite colors. Yeah. And is this so it's got the yellow badging, which means something. Yellow calipers. I thought that meant quad, but it's not the quad badge on it. No, I think quad is purple. So maybe it's tri. Cool. But yeah, this is a special package that you get with all of the like quilted stuff. Look at the floor mats. Nice. Very plush, and it's supposedly a lot easier to clean than you would think. And then this is a nice Gen 2 feature too, with the difference here. This just looks so different than ours with how, I guess now ours is clean again, but so different. So interesting, I immediately noticed the difference in the door handles. The front ones, okay, maybe this was like locked or something, but they're now, they're not fully mechanical anymore. They're electronic, more so than in our Gen 1, and they definitely have a different feel, not quite as solid as we've got in ours. So over here, looks like you can do configurations. You can also see all of the different colors. And here you can see the different interior. So slate sky and walnut wood, which is what I think was in that one. Ocean coast. You can see the differences between the dark out package and the bright package. There's the different carpets. Ocean coast and Black Mountain. Cool. I like how they've even got like all the nature things that show the inspiration here. How cool is that? And you've just got lots of spaces here too. And here's all your wheel options. These big beefy all-terrains. This is what we need for our next off-roading overlanding adventure. They even have them set up on these things. You can wheel them over and see them next to the car. Yeah, cool. Love what they've done with this setup. So this is cool. You can even check out here the routing options. So they've got some preloaded ones in here to like the national parks and stuff around here. But let's see, getting ready for our big Nova Scotia adventure.
That's a ton of Rivian options along the way. Did you know that? This one's gonna
Maine is nice, yeah.
That one's gonna be real nice.
That must be outside of Augusta. This is Portland, I think. Augusta.
Ellsworth. That's right before you get on.
Oh, that's Portland's down here. Okay, yeah, that's by Bar Harbor.
Yeah.
Is that new? That wasn't there last time we went.
Last year, no.
And then, okay, what's this one up here? Oh no.
That's not Rivian.
Yeah.
Arlo's
One second. I just want to see what this Canada one is.
It's not telling you what it is.
Yeah. Well, we can do that in the car.
It's not
That's pretty cool.
telling you
This is a good idea though for prospective buyers to be able to, actually get an idea of what their trips will be like and what's possible. Neat. So we've got a lot of stuff like that in here. I mean, it's just really nice space to, like low pressure. Obviously, I'm not going to be selling you directly from here since you just order online anyway. But we got lots of stuff here just to kind of walk you through all of the options and understand a little bit more what ownership would be like. I like this. I could just sit here and watch this all day. So we've got fresh homemade Rice Krispie treats. Rosemary butter in it. Oh, so good. How was it, guys?
Good. Great.
All made fresh right there. No mess. All electric on there off of the induction cooktop. And I think Rivian might have just sold us one of those because that would be so much easier than our big Coleman propane grill. I guess not. And we got some sun coming out now. All right, so we got all of these R1s lined up here for demo drives. They said R2 is coming on the 9th, but I have a sneaky feeling there's one sitting in the back here somewhere. I can't imagine they're delivering it then.
I can.
Yeah?
I can imagine it coming up the night before.
There's been pictures of them on trucks already, going to different service centers and stuff. All right, that was really cool. Just another example of just Rivian sort of thinking outside of the box here with these like activations and showing people what they can do. It's a little bit different, but still taking advantage of all of the technology and awesome things that come with electric vehicles while getting out into nature and encouraging that adventure lifestyle. Really want to thank Camp Yoshi and Chef Rashad, who was amazing and really good treats here, as well as Rivian for hosting all of this and getting us here and excited. We're going to go hit up the High Line next, and with that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you out there for another electric adventure soon.